Hello everyone, this is Gaurav Kumar. I have completed my Bachelor's of Business Administration from Chandigarh University. While I was preparing for my CAT exam, I also wanted to learn some new skill such as digital marketing. I have searched many things about digital marketing in YouTube, where I have heard about Semsols, and I have attended a 5-day free workshop of Semsols. Then I completed the 5-day free workshop. I knew about many things about the basics of digital marketing. After that, it was a surprise thing for me that it is in my own city, that is Patna, and I have heard about and I knew about that Semsols is also providing offline courses. Then I visited the campus, and then I met to the Piyush sir. Then he tell me about the courses, and then I joined the course, where I have learned many things such as website designing, search engine optimization, and how to create your YouTube channel. And after that, I have also created my own website. The name of my website is mbagourav.com, where I do counseling of students, mainly the students who are doing MBA, where I give suggestions for the colleges, what are the best colleges and at which percentile they can get a good college. Overall, I will say that if any person want to do digital marketing or affiliate marketing, so I will recommend them to join Semsols to enhance their career or their skill. Thank you so much.